Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about multipath inheritance in C++ programming. Multipath inheritance is a special case of the hybrid inheritance, and when a class is derived from two base classes, like here in example the class D has been derived from the class B and the class C, and those two base classes have one common base class. So the class B and the class C is having one common base class, and that is the class A, and this type of inheritance is called the multipath inheritance. And whenever we use the multipath inheritance, there is some ambiguity occurs in the program. Suppose the class A is having one integer variable A, so the integer member of A will be inherited by class B and also will be inherited by class C. And then because the class D is inheriting both class B and class C, so there will be two copy of the member of the class A. So whenever we use the object of class D and we try to access the member of class A, then there is some ambiguity occurs, and there is two ways we can avoid the ambiguity. So firstly, we can use the scope resolution operator. Like in example, here we have one class A, and the class A is having one integer member A, and then the class A is inherited by class B and also inherited by the class C, and then the class B and C is inherited by the class D. So now if we wanted to use the object of class D and wanted to access the member of class A, then we have to write object dot B and then the scope resolution and then the member of class A. And by this statement we are trying to access the member of class A which has been inherited through the class B. And also we can write object dot C and then scope resolution A, and by this statement we are trying to access the member of class A that has been inherited through the class C. And there is another way we can solve the ambiguity by using the virtual base class. So in example, we have one class A, and whenever we wanted to inherit the class A into the class B, then we have to write class B virtual public A, and this way we can use the virtual keyword at the time of inheritance. And also whenever we inherit class A in the class C, then we have to write class C virtual public A, and then the class D can inherit both the class C and also the class B. And because we are using the virtual base class, so only one copy of the class A will be available in the class D. So because of that we can use the object of class D and we can directly access the member of class A. So this is the way we can use the virtual base class, or we can use the scope resolution operator, and we can avoid the ambiguity that occurs in the multipath inheritance. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.